Welcome to the Sunlight Podcast. In this show, we're talking about taxes, money, and careers for self-employed people who have a big vision for changing the world with their work. I'm your host, Hannah Cole, artist, tax pro, and the founder of Sunlight Tax. If you're a creative or soul-centered entrepreneur or wellness practitioner who wants to grow your business sustainably, manage your taxes, and build a stash of fuck you money so you can control your time and have a bigger impact with your work, you are in the right place. Hello. I am popping in to your podcast feed this morning to tell you that I made a special video for you. So if you head on over to sunlighttax.com/payment, you will see I made a video of how to make your estimated quarterly tax payment this year. People ask me this all the time because it gets pretty confusing. And there are a couple things that you want to be aware of as you make the payment, and doing it wrong will cost you time and headache. So I made a very short 8-minute video to just walk you through what to pick in the drop-down menu on the IRS website and how to make that payment without any errors. So enjoy the video, y'all. This is a good moment to tell you that I do have a YouTube channel, and I put all of my podcast episodes on the YouTube channel. Of course, it's mostly built as a podcast, but when there are visuals, occasionally the video is better, and this is definitely one of those cases. So while you're there, feel free to subscribe. All right, so I hope you enjoy that. It is a video about how to use the IRS website to make your first estimated quarterly tax payment. And just as a reminder, that payment is due Tuesday, April 18th. So you got a couple days. All right, enjoy. sunlighttax.com/payment. See you in the regular feed on Tuesday. Thank you for listening. If you like the show, be sure to subscribe, leave a review. It really helps, and share it with a friend. I'm so grateful. This podcast is for education and entertainment only. Nothing in this episode should be taken as individual tax or financial advice. You can find all the tools, books, and links we reference at sunlighttax.com/podcast.